So guys, I want to give you guys a very quick update on the race that took place um with Briana Williams. Now, Briana Williams came last position in this race. She raced against some United States of America athlete. She raced with the US athlete and she was not able to win this race. In fact, the most disappointing part about this race is that Briana Williams came last position, and it was very disappointing because Briana Williams is one of the top athletes in Jamaica, and now she is being defeated by some unpopular athlete, and it is very disappointing. But I just want to let you guys know that um Briana Williams is trying her best because it's not even easy to be a sprinter. It's not easy to represent your country. It's not easy to be this young and be trying to perform. Athletics is not easy. So I feel like you guys should just give Briana Williams enough time. I believe she is going to bounce back and she is going to do better in the future. But for now, I feel like her performance is not um is not good enough. Let me know what you think in the comment section.